What's going on, machine warriors? Hopefully you all are having a good day today and making some money. Momentary pause for the real investors to hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell for future content. This is the Diamond Stream, where diamond hand holders come to play. Welcome to the channel where we talk about all things crypto. Anything crypto related is on the table, even though I like to mainly stick with passive income DeFi plays. As always, nothing I say on this channel constitutes financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say on this channel is just for educational entertainment purposes only. Never invest what you can't afford to lose, and always do your own research. It's the crypto machine. Johnny Diamond Hands hitting you with this Optimus. Not like the Transformer, but hey, maybe it'll transform your financial situation. Now, I don't know much about this platform, but I did come across this Watching DeFi Dude's channel, so shout out to him. And I see that he is heavily invested into this platform. Now, I don't know if he's a co-founder or he's just on the team or not. So anyway, they got 6,000 followers on Twitter. I do not know this team. I don't know any info about the devs or the team, so I doubt they are doxed. So, tread carefully with this. But their contract links are at the bottom of their page, and you can contact them and ask them any questions that you may have. Optimus is a decentralized algorithmic trading protocol secured by the Polygon blockchain, link in the description. Our protocol allows users to benefit from algorithmic trading without the hassle of making your own bots or using a sketchy third-party API linked to your identity on a centralized exchange. So how does it work? Optimus provides secure long-term passive income for Opt3 holders, which is their token. It does this by generating revenue from the profitable trades of algorithmic trading bots. Optimus bots trade a wide range of token pairs, including the OPT3, which is their token itself. Part of the revenue generated by the bots is used to acquire OPT3 USDT liquidity in the liquidity pool on QuickSwap. This creates a deeper liquidity over time and provides resilience to market volatility. As a liquidity provider on QuickSwap, Optimus earns a 0.3% fee for every swap that is made in the OPT3 USDT pool. Swap fees are then redeposited into the pool automatically, aka compounded, creating exceptionally more liquidity and revenue over time. Every day, the OPT3 token, which I like to just call Optimus token, rebases, increasing the total supply of tokens by exactly 1%. After every rebase, Optimus burns 1% of the OP3 tokens held in liquidity. So basically, it's a rebase token that gives you 1% daily on the amount that you hold in your wallet. Thank you, or you're welcome. Hey, I've been with Optimus for 1 day. So far so good, making about $5 a day. Gonna dollar cost average into this one and see where it leads me, if it lasts. I'm becoming less and less inclined to jump into these new projects, especially considering that this is version 3 of this project. So, but I did see where they allowed where the V2 users could migrate their tokens over, and so that's a good sign. So, hey, more on Optimus to come. I hope you like this video and have a great day.